Chocolate Expo is awesome. It's amazing. Like you get all different types of chocolate and more. You get honey, pickles, beef jerky. It's awesome. It's just more than just chocolate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love sweets, chocolate. I didn't even know they had cakes and cheesecakes and stuff, and I'm so excited because there's so many things to taste, and I don't even know where to put myself right now. It's so good. Yeah, I'm only down 3 boots, and I'm already a bag full of chocolate, so I'm in heaven.
Hard cider. Try that.
Technically, I was kidnapped by my high school friend, and this was something that she got me with the keywords chocolate and wine, 2 of my favorite things. I've looked around so far and I'm enjoying everything. I've sampled a few things. This is my cheat day. And everything's amazing. I love the atmosphere. I'm loving the people. The customer service is excellent. I am so glad I came.
There's stuff for kids, there's stuff for adults, there's food, there's games, there's something for the whole family.
I wanted to come here today to experience all the different vendors, the food, the samples. It is absolutely chocolate, food, and fun. All the time, the whole time. You spend hours here and have fun, and eat, sample, and have fun with the family.